How to rate drivers and give feedback in DiDi application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to rate your driver and give feedback in DiDi application. So let's get started. First thing, simply open up your DiDi application currently and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And after your trip ends, let's say you have already booked a trip and your trip just ended, and the app will show a rating screen right over here, and you just have to select 1 to 5 stars based on your experience and add a quick comment or choose from the preset feedback options like cleanliness, driving style, or friendliness, and just tap submit to send your rating. Your feedback helps DiDi improve the service and recognize the great drivers. And if you ever missed your rating after the ride, just go to your app and just head over to the hamburger icon at the top left corner, and then your trip history or my trips, and then simply select the ride and just rate it later. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.